friend of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this smartphone. Firstly, just go into settings. Now you need to choose about phone and click on storage. After that, select clear over here at the bottom, tap on allow in the pop-up and wait. Lastly, select cleanup over here, wait again, and as you can see after a couple of seconds, storage of my Black Shark was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!